Hey, listen to this.
Ndipo kwenu.
That's the Igbo tribe's call to order. When I hear it, I imagine my powerful ancestors rushing to protect me whenever I'm in trouble. And when I hear my true name, I feel it. It's the name my ancestors would have wanted me to have. I got it from Chukwu Nunso Captures. I found him on Instagram and DM'd him for an Igbo Nigerian name. I told him about the things I wanted to manifest into my life and about the connection to my family's deeper ancestral identity that I yearned for.
And then he gave me the perfect Igbo name, Amarachi, meaning God's grace. I was so excited.
At first, I didn't really feel any different. I mean, he did say in his videos that the Igbo Nigerian name gift was just the first step of my journey. But then gradually as time went on, I felt inspired to read more about Igbo Nigerian culture and history. My heart began to well up with pride. I started taking better care of myself and improved my life in so many ways because now I knew my ancestors, so I could not let them down.